also gonna make some sauteed Brussels sprouts. So I'm gonna cut these up real fine. So I don't like big chunks of stuff. So it's gonna be cut up pretty good. Stay tuned. Okay, I'm gonna have some shredded chicken right here in a minute that's gonna be going with my Brussels sprouts. And then I cut up my onions. So right now I'm working with asparagus. So what I'm gonna do, of course, me and this lemon. I'm gonna put some lemon juice on it. Okay, all right. Get some lemon juice to see it's cut off, the stems are cut off and everything. Get some lemon juice all on it so it can have that lemon taste flavor that I like so much. Or it helps get saturated inside the asparagus so that it don't be so chewy with the streams coming out of it. All right. Got that lemon juice on top. I am sauteing the onions before I put the Brussels sprouts in. And I use some pepper and some Goya all-purpose seasoning. Okay, now I am ready to put my Brussels sprouts in. Okay, got my Brussels sprouts in. So now I'm just going to cover it and let it sizzle for a while. And here's the sauteed Brussels sprouts. I'm going to add some bacon. Of course, it's going to give it another nice flavor. So now, you remember the shredded chicken I showed you? I'm going to add that. I know you're like, oh my God. No. Trust me, after this, you don't need any side meal. You got chicken, you got bacon, you got a whole meal right here. And, trust me, non-fattening. There's maybe a little. Okay. Here it is. Now I can just serve it up in me a bowl or a plate. Yum. Ingredients used. Such a fast